Hello, hello, hello. I hope you're doing all good. In today's video, we're gonna learn about Blender basics. It's necessary for the 3D modeling. If you are like doing only for 3D or doing for the animations, or you are like developing 3D models for any game specific 5M and yeah, many more. So this is how Blender looks. I personally use it in from the Steam. So let's learn from the basics. Okay, so first we have these options. Obviously, basic options. Here you can import and export your models. Okay, so I have plugins. That's why I have shown these type of. Okay, and now we can see if okay. Now if I go to this is tool panel. We can select tools. If I just select the cube by left click on it, and if I just you know, as you can see, it moves. There are also shortcut keys for these. So shortcut keys, I will tell you these tools side by side. I will tell you the shortcut keys. Okay, the shortcut keys to move is G. If you press G, you can move. If you want X, Y, Z, if you want in the specific axis, just press that axis. For example, I want it to move on the Z axis. So if I click Z, so it will log on Z axis. If I click on X, it will be logged on X axis. If I click on Y, it will be logged in Y axis. Okay, so after move and by mistake you have moved, so you just have to click the right click to. Okay, and now we have the rotation tool. You can see rotation is possible in every direction. Okay, and the rotation shortcut keys are just move, same the X, Z, and Y axis. Okay, then we have like everything. You can just move, rotate side by side. Then there is an option is called scale. See, you can scale the object on the Z axis, X axis, and Y axis. Also, the shortcut key for it is S. And yes, as you can see on the log side, on the axis X, Z, and Y. Okay. So after this, we come into the properties panel. Okay. So these are the basic properties. These are the tools when you edit them. Okay. This is the render. For personally, if I just making real life anything rendering, I will use cycles. If I'm making anything like for gaming world, I will use Eve Eevee. Okay, so basic simple, no ray tracing is I developed GTA and GTA doesn't have ray tracing, so I don't own it. Yeah. After that, the output. Okay, so we don't have to use this. This can be used sometimes. This is the world. You can change the background origin of this. Okay, now this is called object data. Okay, so as you can see, transfer the location of the object. You can just simply move from here to. Okay. Uh, then we come to modifiers. So basically, I won't cover too much about modifiers in this video, but yeah. So modifiers what are like? I want it to be like circle type curve from every edges. So basically, I will click on it, add and modifier, and I can search like subdivision surface type. If I just give it to a subdivision, as you can see, it curved. So these are the modifiers. I just want this object to be like move it on the specific. So I will use array modifier. As you can see, if I just okay now if I just count, you see it's like making its own path. Every path is same. So this is how it works. Modifiers. Then we have articles. We have physics, like if it is a cloth, there is a like soft body fluid object with a collision. Okay. Then we have constraint. We don't wanna like right now. We don't want to explore it. Then you have data. Okay, so the vertex group, shape keys are everything important for the gaming world, and UV is also a very important thing. color attribute is how the game object will look or glow or not glow in your server or in your game. Okay, so not matter, and this is the material type, the color you want to give it. Okay, so I can change this to what. As you can see, there is nothing we can see right now, so we have to, here you can like render modes. Okay, this is called wireframe, this is called solid, this is called material preview. See, I changed the colors, this, and this is called render. Okay, so the render will be basically will be depend on your render engine. So now the basic blender things are these. Okay, so it will obviously spawn with these things. You can just select everything, or you simply press A and you can just simply delete them. So this is the Blender Basics video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and enjoy. We will meet in the second part of this, and yeah, we soon we will soon launch our Prop Creation Series 2, and make sure to support me on Patreon so I can just make these kind of videos. Yeah, that's for it. Bye bye guys.